Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, and today I will show you how to put the device into Fastboot mode. And to get started, we will need to power it off, so tap on the power key right here, select power off, and wait for the device to shut off. And once it has, what you want to do is hold power key and volume up, both of the keys at the same time, and hold them till you see the Galaxy logo. There we go. At which point you can let go and wait for the device to boot into the recovery mode. From here, you will want to use volume keys because the touch doesn't actually work in this mode. So using volume keys, select second option, which is reboot to bootloader, and then confirm it with power key. And there we go. We should now be in Fastboot mode. And there we go, entering Fastboot mode. So we are now in the desired mode. And that is how you boot into it. To leave this mode, you will need to hold power key and volume down till you see the writing there disappear. So that is about like 7 seconds. There we go. At which point you can let go and the device boots back up automatically. And as you can see, we're now back in Android. Let me quickly put in the pin for the SIM card. And there we go. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.